Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe.
And good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're wrapping up the week. I hope that everyone will have an exciting weekend. It's been a big week, a lot of news, a lot of investment deals, a lot of development things going on, a lot of stuff on the industrial, and also a lot of on retail that we've been covering. And I think with this our retail week that's coming up at the beginning of September, that we're partners with MIPIM. As we talked about, we're going to cover shopping centers, we're going to cover retail parks, we're going to cover big box and all kinds, and some of the malls that have done really well because of their mix of retailers, and some maybe that haven't done as well. Anyway, we're talking to retailers all the time and getting their feedback. So anyway, we'll jump right to Winston Norman, our editor for the news on Europa Property website. He'll give you some exciting things, and we'll be right back in 20 seconds with
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing for the CEE region's flagship event for investors and developers, the Europa Property Investment Awards, which will be live and online October 20th and 21st. With a total of over 400 international and regional attendees, this event is not to be missed.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website on Friday morning. And we'll start in the retail sector in Poland, where JLL summarised the conditions on the market at the end of H1 2021. And according to JLL, the increasing number of vaccinations is allowing the retail sector to catch its breath, with customers returning to brick and mortar stores. JLL forecasts that total new supply could hit 540,000 square metres in 2021, making a return to pre-pandemic performances. So that is a huge increase. However, the Polish retail market is still struggling with implications caused by COVID-19. Forecasts look favourable compared to the rest of Europe in Poland. According to Oxford Economics, retail sales in Poland are expected to grow by 4.9% annually until 2023, and placing the country among the top countries in Europe. Figures from the Polish Council of Shopping Centres show a rapid return of customers to brick and mortar shopping after a period of restrictions related to the recent lockdown. Footfall in the first week of the reopening of shopping centres was 90% of the result registered in 2019, before settling down at 87% by the end of May. Turnover in shopping centres in May came in at 96% of 2019 results, indicating a high conversion rate. Anna Fasoka, head of retail at JLL, comments, the visitation results are reason to be cautiously optimistic. It is noticeable that consumers are hungry for the opportunity to actually go out and shop and want to make up for those lost lockdown months. This phenomenon could be described as revenge shopping. Moving on, and to the Czech Republic, where a local investor has bought 2 retail parks. CBRE acted as an advisor in the acquisition of the portfolio for the newly established Patria Logistics Retail Fund from the Czech development group KPD. As shown during the pandemic, retail parks have proved to be extremely resilient and achieved good economic results. After a thorough analysis of several available opportunities on the market, Patria finally decided to invest in newly built retail parks, promising an attractive return on investment. And according to Katrina Bryden, head of investment at CBRE, she says the market is very active and there is a strong investor demand for quality assets. We expect this year's investment volume to reach around 2 billion euros. Moving to Romania, and NEPI Rockcastle has secured a green loan worth 73.5 million euros from the International Finance Corporation, a member of the World Bank, in a bid to expand its sustainable business infrastructure in Romania. The IFC said the financing will help mitigate the impact of the pandemic on NEPI's local operations by enhancing its liquidity. The loan will target projects in the company's green finance framework as it aims to become carbon neutral by 2030. And according to the IFC, given the COVID-19 pandemic, IFC's timely funding will provide NEPI Rockcastle with critical access to long-term liquidity, thus helping business flow through the crisis and weather continuous uncertainties in these challenging times. Moving to Hungary, and Robertson's Hungary has acquired BNP Paribas Real Estate Hungary to strengthen its position and broaden its business activities. And according to Robert Tilke, the managing director of Robertson Hungary, I am confident that through the joint work of the two companies under the same ownership will give us the possibility to take advantage of the shared synergies between the two entities, and will be able to provide a wider range of services to our customers on both the end user and investor side. Robertson remain a part of the BNP Paribas Real Estate Worldwide Network in the future, using the existing recognition and experience to provide comprehensive, modern technologies that guarantee proactive, reliable, and professional services to its clients. And finally, for today, we have a new appointment in the Human Resources section, and Nineva has appointed Anita Singh as Head of Marketing. She will be responsible for the company's marketing in Spain and Poland. And she has 15 years of experience in developing and delivering exceptional marketing campaigns across digital and offline methods, increasing sales and driving profits. At Nineva, she'll be responsible for strengthening the style outlets and factory brand strategy and market recognition and enabling growth. And that's all of the news for today. For more news items, please log back into our website, EuropaProperty.com. Thanks very much.
So great. Thanks for that, Winston. Great to have everybody on board, and we hope you have a great weekend, and we will see you Monday morning. And again, if you need anything, if you want to talk about anything for retail, for our retail week, let us know. We've got a lot of things planned that week. So have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.